Ooh, we're diving in to learn about penguins. Let's start. Hey, what are we learning about? You don't know, Smiley? It is written down. Is it penguins? Yes. So sit back. Okay. So let's start. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm here. Let's start. Ah! That is so frightening. Yes, but sometimes you get horrified, and I am horrified. So I'm not turning back to that page ever. So let's start. What are they? What birds cannot fly? Penguins! What birds spend most of their lives in the ocean but are not fish? Penguins! What birds live in the coldest part of the world all year long? Penguins! They swim, they march, they slide through the snow. They are penguins! Stop. Opti, stop. Ooh, what's going on here? Huh? What's going on here? Ooh, these are penguins. Yeah. Yes, Dolly. These are penguins. Oh, are these emperor penguins? Yes, correct. Here's the answer. Yes, I'm correct. Can we start now, Dolly? Okay. Ooh, what's happening here? Not you now, Uni. Can I just say it quicker? I love penguins. Okay, then sit back to watch. Okay. Yay, penguins! Just learn about them. Just sit back. There's some jokes in them. Yay! Okay, then. Where are they? All penguins live between the equator and the South Pole. Some live where it's very cold. Some live in warmer places like the coasts of Africa or Australia. Penguins live on islands, on coasts, and even on icebergs in the sea. They just need to be near water because they spend most of their lives in the water. Equator means an imaginary line halfway between the north and south poles, and the coast means where land meets water. Ooh, here's Antarctica. Brr! This is the South Pole. Wow! Australia. What is this thing? Dun 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 dun. Let me tell you why there's not like penguins in there. Cause they're polar bears there. No, I don't want them to eat them. That's why. This is the equator line, so they don't live on. That's why they don't live on North Pole. Not just any bird. Let me first tell you a joke. What did the penguin do when he got upset? What? What did he say? Let's see the answer. The answer is he flippered out. That's so funny. Can you tell me the meaning? Why are you laughing? Oh, it means like what did he did when he got upset? He flippered up. Now you get it? Yeah. Okay. Big web feet for better steering. Layers of soft feathers trap heat. Stiff, oily feathers on top keep out water. Whoa. Stiff flippers act like boat paddles to push and steer. Big eyes to see underwater. Let me see, what is that? Ah! What is that? It's just a penguin's like eye. But I knew they were cute. Yes, they were cute, but like the scariness of penguins doesn't matter. Webbed means connected by skin. Their black backs make them hard to see from above. Their light bellies make them hard to see from below. But it's their strong, solid flippers that help them escape predators and get where they want to go. Penguins can swim about 15 miles an hour. 15 miles an hour! Wow, what a record. When they want to go faster, they leap out of the water as they swim. It's called porpoising. Porpoising. Is it porpoising? No, porpoising. Okay. Because it's what porpoises do. Okay, a predator is an animal that eats other animals. No! Be calm. Be calm, Octi. Just be calm. Look at Uni, Smiley, and Sky. They are calm. Okay, I have another joke. Did the penguin leap out of the water by accident? Why? I don't know the answer. Let's see the answer. The answer is no, he did it on porpoise. Get it? Purpose, porpoise. What's for dinner? Life in the ocean is fishalicious. Get it? Delicious and fishalicious. Penguins eat a lot of fish. They have a hooked bill or beak to help them grab their dinner. Barbs on their tongues and in their throats help them to hold on to slippery food. Whoa. Okay. Would you like a drink of salty water to go with that fish? Yes, we are talking to you. Okay. Penguins are able to clean the salt out of ocean water. They get fresh water to drink and salt dribbles back into the ocean. Ew! That's not ew. Birds. Barb means something sharp and pointy like a hook. And I have another one. There are lots of jokes in here. What's a penguin's favorite food? Let's see the answer. An iceberg. Get it? While penguins are slurping down their dinners, they have to be careful not to end up as dinner themselves. Yes. Penguins are the favorite food of marine mammals such as leopard seals and killer whales. Penguins are also in danger on land because birds like the skua, the Australian sea eagle, and the giant petrel eat penguins. Even cats, snakes, foxes, and rats eat penguins when they can. Ghetto penguins and the skua. Oh no, I think there is going to be a fight going on. Marine mammals have fur and give birth to live young. Unlike other mammals, they spend most of their time in the ocean. Life on land. King penguins. Whoa! There are too many penguins. Look, these brown ones, these are actually babies. They're a little bit teenage, that's why. On land, most penguins live in a large colony with thousands or even millions of other penguins. If it's cold, they huddle together. It's so warm inside a huddle that penguins take turns moving to the outside to cool off. Is it like they huddle up and they feel warm and cozy? Is it like a cuddle? Like you cuddle instead of a hug? Yeah, it's kind of like that, but for winter protection. Penguins march together to get to their nesting grounds. Once there, they wait, strut, shake, call, note, dance, and sing to find a mate. Yes, it's true. Most penguins stay with their mate for many years. Many years. Okay. Oh, excellent. Okay. A colony means a group of animals who live together. A chick is born. Oh, such cute babies. Yes, all of them are saying they're cute. Okay. Yes, they're the babies of chin strap. So they're called chin strap chicks. Most penguins lay 2 eggs at a time, but often only 1 egg survives. The mother and father take turns keeping the egg warm. When it hatches, the parents keep the chick warm and fed. After a couple of weeks, hundreds or even thousands of chicks wait together while the parents go back to the sea to find food. As the chicks wait, they are in constant danger from squaws, eagles, and other animals like leopard seal. Oh, it's waiting for food. Oh yeah. How was the penguins walk to their nesting grounds? What? What does it mean? Excellent. Get it? Excellent and excellent. Excellent. Okay. Can I first do the joke? No, we want to hear. Okay. Finally, the parents return with food. They have to find the chicks in a huge crowd of baby birds. How do they do it? The baby birds sing special songs to help the parents find them. In a few months, the whole family returns to the sea. Okay, now can I do it? Okay. What did the mother penguin say to her crying chick? Stop blubbering. Get it? Cry. Blubbering instead of crying. The longest march. Dum dum dum. Okay. For the emperor penguins, getting to their nesting grounds is hard work. Their home is Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. Emperor penguins nest much farther from the ocean than other penguins. They must march for days and nights through snow and wind. After laying her egg, the female gives it to the male. He will keep it warm in a flap under his belly. Aww. Unlike other penguins, the male emperor cares for the egg by himself while the female goes back to the ocean to find food. Oh, okay, no jokes. Now the mother is gone for more than 4 months. The father huddles with the other male penguins to keep himself and his egg safe and warm. During this time, the father eats nothing but snow. What? Okay, now, when the mother returns in July, the father quickly goes to the ocean to find food. By December, the whole family is ready to go. Aww. Who is the emperor penguin's favorite relative? Aunt Antarctica. Like, get it? Antarctica. Antarctica. Yeah. Penguin parade. There are 17 different species or kinds of penguins. So, fairy is the smallest one. Fairy penguins sing more songs than any other penguins. And African ones. These penguins are loudest. They sound like donkeys, like oh, oh, like that. They're more. So the ghetto, these penguins are the fastest swimmers. And king, these penguins don't make a nest. They carry their eggs wherever they go. That's a little bit hard work to walk, but they waddle instead of walk. Okay. Okay, largest emperor. It is just 44 inches, but it's still big. Penguin play! Rock hopper penguin hopping. Rock hoppers can hop 5 feet high. Oh my goodness. Were there? Okay, no jokes. Let me just see. No jokes. Okay. Life isn't always easy for penguins, but at least they look like they're having fun. Singing. Adults sing to their mates, and chicks sing for their parents. Sledding. Penguins speed down icy hills on their feet and bellies to get somewhere fast. Surfing. Penguins surf through the waves. Sometimes they surf right from water up onto land. Okay, this is like they are just repeating the meanings and the marine mammal one. So, but we're just going to do a quick look. We're just going to look at a quick look of this series. Okay. So this is the end. What? I just fall asleep, please. I'm just kidding. I just heard everything. Don't jump. Don't jump. Okay, so bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. 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 We are so happy. I'm also happy this time. Oh my goodness.